Tash Thompson coming to you live here at the Huxley School of Makeup, and right now I'm with Michael Huxley, the owner of Huxley Makeup and School. We're backstage, the girls are all getting their makeup done for the fashion parade tonight at the Engine Swim Australia. Tell me about this place, I love it.
The girls are doing a nice bronzy, smoky look tonight with a really bright pink lip, which is exciting. And yeah, all the girls from the school studying our fashion and beauty makeup artistry course.
It's Tash Thompson here at Commune Resort for the Engine Swim Australia Fashion Parade Party of the Year. We've got the most spectacular, gorgeous models that are about to hit this catwalk in about 5 minutes' time.
Benediction in the morning time. Everybody riding on.
And here we are live at Commune Resort, and I'm with the one and only Britta. She is the designer of Engine Swim Australia. Britta, it's a pleasure to have you here. The designs are amazing. Tell us about where you get your inspirations from.
Sure. Well, I've been in the swimwear industry for many years, and I've been very fortunate to travel and work with a lot of wonderful artists, and I go to trade shows and I see what's happening out there in the market. So over the years, I have collected a lot of resources for working with artists in Paris and London, Australia, and so I get to pick artwork from all over the world, and I just kind of go to what my eye likes and what I feel is trend right and edgy, and that's what we use to build the assortment for Engine Swim. Sure. Well, Engine Swim is a performance-based brand, so it's competition product. We have athletes that wear our product, so we want to create a suit that's very supportive for the athlete, yet provides, stylish, edgy look to it.
Perfect. Well, we're very excited to have you here. Thank you. The designs are amazing, and we cannot wait to see our models on the catwalk showcasing all the latest swimwear from Engine Swim Australia.